In the previous videos, we've learned piyip and tigut irregulars. In today's video, we're gonna learn Shiot irregular. If the last letter of a word stem ends in Shiot, then Shiot gets removed when adding a vowel. For example, 낫다, to be better, to be cured. In casual, 나. In polite, 나요. This only happens when adding a vowel. When adding a consonant, nothing changes. 낫다, 낫습니다. Now let's look at some examples. Now you can grab a notebook and a pen and write all of the new words down. 짓다, to build. 지어, 지어요, 짓습니다. 긋다, to draw a line. 그어, 그어요, 긋습니다. 붓다, to swell, pour. 부어, 부어요, 붓습니다. 잇다, to connect. 이어, 이어요, 잇습니다. 젓다, to stir, churn. 저, 저어요, 젓습니다. And now more examples. 특진짓다, to characterize. 특진지어, 특진지어요, 특진짓습니다. 눈물지다, to shed tears, weep. 눈물지어, 눈물지어요, 눈물짓습니다. 가로줬다, to shake one's head. 가로줘, 가로줘요, 가로줬습니다. 논사지다, to farm. 논사지어, 논사지어요, 논사짓습니다. Now let's look at some regular words. Here, regular words mean that the words that will appear now don't follow the previous pattern. That means that the Shiot letter does not get removed from 받침. You have to simply memorize such words, so definitely make sure if you wrote the following words down. 벗다, to take off clothes. 벗어, 벗어요, 벗습니다. 웃다, to laugh. 웃어, 웃어요, 웃습니다. 씻다, to wash. 씻어, 씻어요, 씻습니다. 빼앗다, to steal, take away, rob, deprive, captivate. 빼앗아, 빼앗아요, 빼앗습니다. 쏟다, to sour rice. 쏟아, 쏟아요, 쏟습니다. 빚다, to calm. 빚어, 빚어요, 빚습니다. Here is a little note. When a word stem has Shiot as the fourth consonant, this irregular rule does not apply. 없다, to not have. 없어, 없어요, 없습니다. Yay! We have learned all we have to know about Shiot irregular. Now, only 4 other irregular letters are left. If you didn't learn piyip and tigut irregulars yet, be sure to watch them because irregulars are very important in Korean. You don't want to speak incorrectly, right? That's it for today. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe, click on the bell to not miss out my newest videos, like and comment to give this channel a little life. 안녕!